Isang mapagpalang araw po sa ating lahat. Muli ako si Emmanuel O. Alejandre. Ito ang aking daily devotion ngayong May 2. And for today, we are going to talk about how we should not waste our lives. And this is about Nadab. Now, in order to give a bit of context to you, Nadab is the son of Jeroboam. And Jeroboam famously did not adhere to God's order. He disobeyed the Lord. In fact, he has built gold statues for people to worship instead of God. That's idolatry. He directly went against the Lord, in which the Lord was angered with him. So, pinurusahan siya. Anong nangyari dito? Yung kanyang anak na si Nadab followed in his footsteps and was killed by Baasha, the son of Ahijah. Now, Ahijah was the Shilonite, no? That was conveyed to by the Lord in order for Baasha to kill Nadab. And following that, Baasha also killed the entire family of Jeroboam as punishment because Jeroboam has angered the Lord. So, dito po, makikita natin kung paano nag-i-snowball yung isang kasalanan. Maaaring sasabihin mo na isang beses lang naman to. But it's not that. Sin tends to find a way to repeat itself. But repeating past sins is a waste of life. There's two views in terms of life, no? Maaaring pwede mong sabihin na napakahaba ng buhay. Pero, kadalasan, sinasabi na sobrang ikli lang nito. In fact, I do agree with that statement. Maikli lang yung buhay nating mga tao dito sa mundo. Kaya, it's more the reason para gamitin natin yung oras natin sa pang-araw-araw sa mabuting pamamaraan. Now, what is that, you may ask? Serving the Lord. There is no other useful use of our time rather than serving God. And if we replace the time that we should have and could have been serving God into sinning, especially the sins that we have already committed, then that is a waste of life. Remember, unrepented sin becomes a continuing legacy. Tulad na nangyari dito kay Jeroboam. Unrepented sin, hindi siya nagsisi sa ginawa niya. So, ginawa rin ng kanyang anak na si Nadab. And what happened? God's judgment came. Remember, God's judgment is certain and precise. Hindi po ito ruleta lang, na minsan mapaparusahan ka, minsan hindi. No. Our God is a just God. And if you do wrong, you will be punished. Ang natatangi lang nating privilege dahil siya ang ating Panginoon is that we get to experience salvation given to us by Jesus Christ. Kung wala yung ating Panginoong Hesukristo, dahil just God nga yung ating Panginoon, we will definitely be punished. Because we are undeserving of forgiveness. And the only reason that we have been forgiven is that Jesus spilled His own blood on the cross for us. So do not waste your life that has been given to you by God by repeating the sins of others. Kung nakita mo na sa ibang tao na hindi nagkaroon na mabuting epekto yung kanilang ginagawa, nakasama, wag na nating subukan pa. Truly wise people not only learn from their mistakes but also learn from the mistakes of others. Be observant and identify the practices you should continue and those you should discontinue. In that way, we will continuously grow. Not only as a person, but also in a spiritual sense, wherein we get to develop this more intimate relationship with God. And we can start that by shaping our family culture towards godliness. Kung ano yung ginagawa natin sa ating sariling pamamahay, natatransfer natin ito sa ating buhay. So kung nagiging godly tayo sa ating mga ginagawa sa bahay kasama ng ating mga pamilya, then that will surely translate in our everyday lives. And in that way, we will glorify God. So yun lamang po ang aking daily devotion. Maraming salamat sa pakikinig. Pagpalayo tayong lahat. Let us all give glory to God.